Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find either the Google section or passwords and accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then let's tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. In this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it and tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. It's up to you whether you want to turn on the backup. I don't want to do it right now. Right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it and read. And then let's tap on I agree. Here we've got the information about the backup. Of course you can turn it off right here or just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.